Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. This video is just a quick one over this cute little compact wallet, and this is from Patricia Nash. So this is called the Canelli wallet. It's in the Coral Bouquet print, and it is super cute. It's a really cute wallet. It is compact, and I got it for that reason, because it was compact. So let's go ahead and get into it, and I will then in a few minutes put some more, or put some stuff in here so that you can see what fits. So on this side, it has the little Patricia Nash logo kind of embossed or debossed. When you open it though, it's kind of like a little surprise. It's a coin pouch, which is kind of cool. And I kind of got it because I thought that that would be a really cool feature. So yeah, so you could put anything in there, obviously. Earbuds, coins, hair ties, whatever would go in there. On the other side, it's just like this, and there's the little Patricia Nash signature right there. And it just opens with a snap. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8 pockets. And then also a place for your bills. And the leather is super soft and smooth, and it is, I believe, full grain leather. It smells really good, kind of like what I've said with my other Patricia Nash video. It does definitely smell really good. So let me go ahead and put some stuff in it and show you what it will fit. Okay, so I went ahead and stuffed it, and you can tell that is pretty stuffed. I'm going to leave the measurements here for you. I completely forgot to look them up. So let's go ahead and open it. And you can see that I have quite a few cards in here, the way it's stuffed. So I have 2, 2, 2, so 2, 4, 6, and then 8, 10, 12 cards. I have back here a business card, so that's all that's back there. In the very back is a business card, and then I have one little other card right there. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So I have 14 cards in here, plus I have one bill, and then I have the change also. Now you can see that it gets, there we go, it's pretty tight. So that's just something to think about if you are thinking about this wallet. I think it's a cute little wallet, and definitely handy, you know, if you want something really small for your purse. I'm actually going to be sending this back. I did not use it at all, but I'm going to be sending it back because it is a little small. And the feature I thought that I would love, which is this feature, I actually do not love. So yeah, so I'm going to send it back. I think I got it on sale for like maybe $30 at Belk. I'll list it below or link it below for you if you're interested in it, because yeah, it's a great wallet. I just think it's not for me. But that is it. It was just a really quick review about this little Patricia Nash Canelli wallet, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.